Welcome to our 3-day online workshop on genomic analysis, running from October 11th to October 13th, 2024. This workshop is designed for anyone interested in diving deep into the world of genomics, whether you're a seasoned researcher or just starting your journey. We'll kick off with an introduction to Linux, the backbone of bioinformatics tools. Understanding Linux is essential, as it provides the environment where much of our genomic analysis will take place. Next, we'll explore data formats and genome browsers. You'll learn how to navigate and visualize genomic data effectively using various genomic visualization software. This foundational knowledge will set the stage for our discussions on quality control and data processing, ensuring that your data is clean and reliable before diving into deeper analyses. As we move forward, we'll cover DNA sequence alignment, a critical step in comparing genetic sequences. You'll gain hands-on experience with alignment algorithms, which are vital for understanding genetic variations. Then, we'll transition into RNA-seq analysis, where you'll discover how to analyze and interpret RNA sequencing data to uncover gene expression patterns. We'll also delve into de novo transcript assembly, which allows us to reconstruct transcripts from RNA-seq data without a reference genome. This is particularly useful in studying non-model organisms. Finally, we'll wrap up our workshop with variant calling, where you'll learn how to identify and characterize genetic variants from sequencing data. Throughout these 3 days, you'll engage with practical exercises and discussions that will enhance your understanding of genomic analysis. By the end of this workshop, you'll be equipped with the skills and knowledge to tackle your own genomic projects confidently. Join us on this exciting journey into the world of genomics.